Hello everyone, welcome to Commerce Cafe, a vibrant initiative organized by the Department of Commerce of Sri Guru Sudhindra Degree College, Bhatkar. And today we are honored to have Mrs. Sumitra Kaushik, a renowned entrepreneur and also one of the trustees of Bhatkar Education, as our chief guest. So, first of all, I welcome you to our program.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure.
And what the speciality of this program is that, ma'am, everything is planned by students only. They have did their investment and planned and this execution also. So how do you feel to be among us the students who have independently organized something like this?
It's really nice. I'm honored to be here and also a great pleasure because I myself being in the catering industry, I'm really excited about making new items at my restaurant. So when I see the young children getting entrepreneurial, it's amazing.
So nice to hear such an inspiring thoughts from you, ma'am. And as an entrepreneur yourself, what's your opinion about practical exposures like this compared to classroom learning?
Practical is always different, and practical is what teaches you to fight. I mean, what you actually see on the book, the theory part, is it's just on paper. But when you have to work on your own and start whatever entrepreneurship exercise that you're doing, you have to work very hard. You have to work beyond your profile.
Yes, ma'am.
So if it's like your own enterprise, there are times when you have to do everything, and so one has to be geared for that.
Those were really true and inspiring words also, ma'am. And at last, what advice you would like to give to our students who would love to be entrepreneurs and to our viewers also who are watching you from this video, ma'am?
One is you should be proud of what you're doing, whatever you do.
Yes.
You have to be proud of that. Secondly, you must have enough financial backing to do whatever you want to do. And at the end of the day, you have to monetize your craft. So you have a craft, you have to monetize it. Entrepreneurial exercise, you have to make money at the end of the day. And that is what gives the satisfaction, hey, I am successful in what I'm doing. So I wish you all the very best, and I hope this exercise teaches you in a small way something that you will want to do in your future.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing your valuable time and inspiring thoughts with us, ma'am. Hope you enjoyed our cafe. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you very much.